Hello guys, welcome back. Today I am making white and gold resin coasters with these 4 coaster molds and 2 geode coasters molds. For pigments I am using the Artisan mica powder. This is pearl white, which will be our primary color. This is bubblegum glow, bubble bath pink and pure gold. I am using these gold flakes to blemish the central part of the coasters. I think it will look fab. For glitters, I am using the chunky gold glitters, extra fine white and blush pink glitters that I will mix together to get a color similar to bubble bath pink mica powder. All these glitters I'll be using only for the geode coasters. Before proceeding, consider subscribing and turn on the bell notification icon to all. These are the wonderful plastic spatulas. My fellow artist Angela Saka sent me this and I love them because they add to the sustainability. Thank you, Angela. Here I have mixed the craft resin, which is non-yellowing, food safe and no VOC. I have taken the resin in 6 paper cups. I am adding lots of chunky gold glitter in the first cup with a little resin and giving it a nice mix. In the second cup, I am adding lots of white glitters and a little blush pink glitter and stir well to get a uniform color. The remaining cups are for mica powder. This is pure gold. The fourth cup is for bubble bath pink. I am adding here a little pearl white to make it a little lighter. This is pearl white. The last cup is for bubblegum glow. I love this shade. Let's begin with geode coasters. I will be doing 2 coasters at a time. I am filling them with clear resin and blowing out any remaining air bubbles. Leave the geode coasters for a while now. I am adding pearl white on the outer circumference of these molds directly from the cup. At the center, a little drip of pure gold, followed by bubblegum glow, pearl white, bubble bath pink, pearl white again, gold, bubblegum glow, and a measure of clear resin. Make sure the mold is completely filled. Now for the other 2 coasters, outer ring of pearl white. In the previous 2 molds, I have added at the center first pure gold, but here I am adding bubblegum pink, bubble bath pink, followed by pure gold, pearl white, bubble bath pink again, bubblegum glow. These alternating small puddles will give a great look to the coasters. The way they interact is very interesting. You can already see the results for the first 2 coasters I poured. Now I am adding the major chunk of clear resin, pouring it till the molds are completely filled. In a small cup, I have poured some clear resin, adding lots of gold flakes in it and mixing them. Adding a little drip of gold flakes resin in the center of each coaster. For the geode coasters, I am pouring a thin ring of pearl white directly from the paper cup. Close to that, I am adding a ring of bubble bath pink. Chunky gold glitters resin. Bubblegum glow ring. It looks really shiny and very glowy. Pure gold resin. And lastly, at the center, I am adding pink glitter resin ring. These gold glitters ring look sparse, so I am making them pronounced by adding over another layer. These central gold flakes have many tiny air bubbles entrapped, so using the blowtorch to pop them out. I am leaving the coasters for a day for the resin to cure. After 24 hours, the resin is set and I am taking the coasters out of the mold. This is the geode coaster. The resin is very clear with no air bubbles and the colored rings submerge well in the clear resin. It gives a beautiful pattern here. This is the other one. The back side of the coaster I have covered with painter's tape and taken out the excess tape with an X-Acto knife by following the exact contour of the coaster. Now we will use this paintbrush and FW pure gold color acrylic ink to paint the edge of the coaster. Shake the bottle well. I have used many different types of paints and pigments in the past to cover the borders of the coasters, and I want to give this one a try. This paint is richly pigmented and I think it is ideal in consistency to apply on the borders. I am basically covering 2 to 3 mm of the edge. After one coat, I will let the paint cure for a couple of hours and then apply a second coat. Now applying the paint on the borders. After this application, I will let the paint to cure for a couple of days and apply a thin layer of clear resin over the coaster and the borders. When the resin is cured, I took off the tape and this is the result. You can see how the bubble bath pink, bubble bath glow and gold have merged with pearl white with this puddling technique and formed this beautiful pattern. These geode coasters have come exceptionally wonderful and I am in love with this set of coasters. The pearl white, gold and bubble bath colors together add to the richness of these coasters. I want to show you this in natural light. They look so gleaming. I am looking forward to your comments and suggestions. Thank you to those who are my new subscribers. I am about to reach my 1000 subscribers and planning to do a big giveaway, guys. So if you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the bell icon and enter the free giveaway contest in the coming weeks. I promise I will choose multiple winners. In the next video, you will see how I made a cake stand matching these coasters and a surprise tray. So keep watching and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications to all and stay connected. Bye.